radiation hit an object, three types of physical phenomena can be possible. First, either the radiation hit the body and reflected back, and it's called reflection. Second, transmitted through the body, and it's called transmission. And lastly, about absorption. So, I'm gonna talk about absorption and also reflection in order to understand more about blackbody radiation. Sun is called perfect blackbody because it emits radiation of all wavelengths. When the radiation hit an object, it absorbs some part of radiation and reflects back the rest of radiation. The amount of radiation absorbed is called coefficient, which indicates how much of the radiation is absorbed. And it can be 20%, 50%, or 80%. And if 100% radiation occurs on an object is absorbed, it's called perfect blackbody. So let's talk about blackbody radiation. Blackbody radiation is whenever radiation is absorbed by a blackbody, and due to this absorption, the temperature of that body also increases. As a result, temperature of that body increase to its surrounding. In this condition, black bodies start emitting radiation. So this radiation is called black body radiation.
So here is some animation I made for you to understand more about black body radiation. So there are scientists make a black body in the lab that could absorb up to 99.9% of radiation. For this, a hollow sphere was taken which has a narrow hole. This one is narrow hole. And then the inner surface of the sphere was then coated with carbon black. So when radiation comes inside through this narrow hole, radiation then hits the wall of the sphere and get absorbed 99%. And the remaining radiation collide with the wall again and again. So in each collision, 99% of radiation is absorbed, and due to absorption of radiation, temperature also increases, and as a result, it starts to emit radiation through the narrow hole, and all wavelengths are present in radiation called blackbody radiation. So this symbol about the arrow symbol here, so I colored them as a blue color, which should be the color is like the ultraviolet, like the radiation color. So the arrow symbol is act as a radiation.
Stephen Boltzmann's law describes total amount of energy produced in the light. Seen here, area under the cover when law identifies wavelength of light at which most light is produced. Seen here the wavelength at the peak of curve. As blackbody temperature increase, total amount of light energy emitted increase and the peak wavelength moved to a shorter wavelength of light. Here is blackbody radiation. H for Planck constant, C for speed of light, lambda for wavelength, K for Boltzmann, T for temperature.